Alright. So I was just driving over this bridge that's in the town that I live in, and looked down and thought it was a good little spot to fish, so I guess I'm gonna try it. Don't know if it's gonna be, a lot or anything like that. So might as well try it. Might be a secret nice little hole. There's a little tiny hole right here. Might get a little shiner out of it. Alright, so we're actually at a new spot, and I just got permission to come all the way down here. So I've had permission to come down here, but it's been like 6 months since the last time I fished down here, and so it's changed a little bit and stuff like that. So I don't exactly know, really, if anything's really changed or anything like that. But I've just asked permission. Good to fish here, so that's all I need. That's all I need to go fishing. Oh, I think I got one already. Here we go. Little rock bass. First one, new location. Little rock bass. We'll try to cross it a little bit right here. There we go. Another one. Oh, he's a good little one too. I think it's another rock bass. No, it's a big bluegill. Oh, and he went back in. But he's stuck. He's stuck in this little hole. Ah! No, just go somewhere. No, not there. Go somewhere like. He's a chunky little bluegill. There he goes. There he goes. He was stuck in that hole. Let's go right there. Oh, got one. There we go. Man, they fight hard right here too. I don't know what it is. Whoa! Whoa, that's a huge rock bass. Look at this tank of a rock bass. He's huge. Whoa. I'm telling you, man, just this little spot is just so crazy. Oh, there we go. I think that's a smallmouth. It is a smallmouth. Yes. Here we go. Look at that. Nice smallmouth. Really nice. Little smallmouth there. And I mean, this creek is just crazy. He went straight back to his hole, too. You never know. Something crazy could come up. But, alright. I'm skipping the rest of the water until we get up here. And you can probably already see it. This is it. This is what I've been talking about. A giant wall. Yes. I've been wanting to come back to this dam for a long time. I haven't really wanted to show everybody what it is. And I've caught a big bass out of here. And I want to catch another. Oh my goodness. I have something. Oh. That is a huge. That's a pretty good sized little bluegill. First cast. First cast into it, and a giant bluegill. Oh, got one. Here we go. It's a smallmouth too. Man, and he swallowed it. Look at that thing. Nice little smallmouth. He's back in the water. Let's try for another one. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I don't know what it is. And I think it just came off. No, it didn't. No, it's still here. It's a... Oh, it's a rock bass, I believe. It is. But he's like, he's fighting pretty hard. It's not in his mouth. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, this rock bass is weird. He's really weird. Those are weird. Whoa. They're like, I don't know. They're like not all the way red. I don't know if y'all can see that. You might be able to see more on this side. But his eye isn't like fully red. That is weird. There he goes. I'm gonna let it sink a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, it's another smallmouth. Oh man. Oh man, it's a good one too. Oh man. Oh. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh. And that's how I know this lure, the sauce that I call it, it just catches fish. It just does. And it does it good. Oh man. Look at that. Beautiful. This is the silver Rebel Craw. And I have never used it. I've never even seen it in like a Walmart or anything like that. So I really want to try it. See what it does. Oh, we got one and we made it jump over the log. But first fish on the new lure. I ain't gonna lie, I was expecting something good to hit on the first cast. But now let's go back to the sauce. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice. Oh, man. Another one. Another big smallmouth. Oh, my goodness, this one's huge. Another huge smallmouth. Oh my goodness. And I'm rocking 4-pound line. That's at least half of this line. He is. I wish I had a scale to weigh him up. He's at least 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 with that belly. Oh. What a fish. What a fish. Oh, how am I going to cross this? I want to get over there. But it is slippery. Pretty much doing the splits trying to get over here. And probably scaring all the, whoa. Probably scaring all the fish as well. I mean, it's already down to my knees. Whoa. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, whoa. Oh, man. Oh, man, how am I going to land him? I don't know how I'm going to land him. Oh, man. He's going to break my rod. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yes. Please. I don't know how much. Grab him. Yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do. That is the... that is a huge bass. Oh my god, I gotta get back over here. I've got to. I don't know how, but I got to. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, this fish. I don't care. I don't have to catch another fish. That's it. That's it. That's the fish I need. Oh my God. Oh my God, this fish. Oh my God, this fish. He's a tank. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this bass. Oh my goodness. Alright, I think we're gonna end it right there. A nice giant bass. Nice sunset. I mean, you just can't end it like this. Started out in a small little creek, not catching anything, baby smallmouths, and then coming here and just really getting them. But, so if y'all want to see me come back out here and rip some more lips out of this hole, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Like the video. You don't even gotta like it. If you want to watch me hit this hole again, just subscribe. Bell notification, all that stuff. Whatever you gotta do to come back here and witness these kind of moments with me. And I know that's just one out of many that I'm going to be able to share with y'all. So, until the next one, I will see y'all later.